welcome back to my channel. Today is another week in my life and I'm just hanging out with friends, so we are at the Northern Mental Hospital and Cedar Woolley, and it's supposed to be haunted, so I'm gonna film that for you. And there's my best friend. You haven't seen her on videos for a really long time. So excited.
I do.
I'm going.
Yo. I come in peace with my God, Jesus.
This is where they kept the animals.
Animals? Yeah. Animals for what? Stay out, it says.
Oh well, no one does.
It's lit. It's a Monday night.
I don't like this.
We're going in there.
What if this guy just really wanted a bowl of weed? Dude.
I gotta watch my steps since I'm wearing sandals so I don't like freaking hurt myself.
And they tell you there's signs about, they tell you about it.
Really?
I'm walking in here.
If I'm doing this, you're doing this.
The thing is with you and I've always felt like even as little kids, we've always been like in tune with things like this. So it's like a 2-year-old rodent.
Poppy.
My last name's Poppy. You act like he disappeared.
Look up in here in the silo.
I will. Guys, look at the silo. Shed the light more in there. Guys, look at this silo. Oh my gosh. It looks like something where the Texas Chainsaw.
Worst ghost people in the world.
I'm just.
God.
I was just filming it there really quick.
He's going to shit himself. Let's go in there.
I'm going in there. Here you go.
Come on, guys.
You know, I'm actually not feeling it anymore because I've been acting cocky, and now that the high's wearing down, I'm not so cocky anymore. And
Look, this was their rooms.
No, it wasn't.
Probably.
These are horse stalls or pig stalls or something. You can still see the buckets where they ate out of.
I got a text message. Saw something like peek around.
Because he said he saw something over here.
I saw something peek around that corner over there. That one. I saw it like that one wall that's completely still up in there. I saw something go around there.
How's he bumping right now? You must have a party or something over there.
There's nobody here.
Well, no, it hasn't been people here since like the 1940s.
No, I'm like exploring. There's nobody here exploring.
Nobody wants to come.
Why would you want to do what we are doing right now?
Because smart people do it. Because smart people do it.
No, you have to follow the trail, and it gets creepier. There's a building that's really creepy.
Oh, what the heck? Did you hear that?
That crash.
No, it was,
I heard someone go. Someone was like kind of like screaming like an old lady. Well, the people over there.
He was talking about the part. We're talking about
I
two
didn't catch that on camera for you guys, but I swear I just saw like a little boy back there walking because we thought we were with the other group and there was no little kids with that group, so it probably saw a ghost. But now we're walking to the other buildings right now.
It's progressively getting darker.
Yeah, and that thing right there looks like a person, but we don't think it is.
Oh, really?
I hear growling coming from over there. We might not want to
you-
go that direction. It
I'm
might be a
not
bear.
going where there's bears.
I
There's
think-
also point that way.
Don't run! They're gonna attack you more if you run. Okay guys, so we heard growling coming from over there. This is like a bear prone area, so we turned around from going out there. Don't feel like being attacked by a bear tonight. So we're coming back to these buildings. You can't really see them, but hopefully be upgrading to a camera soon with lights and you guys can see things better. But yeah, they are all the way up there. They ditched me. So I'm over here by myself. I'm a little freaked out. My best friend just saw someone behind us in a white gown. Yeah, kind of scary.
Okay, so I realized that I forgot to put in some history about that abandoned mental hospital that we went to in my video, but some background on it. The Northern State Mental Asylum opened in 1909 for overcrowding in another nearby mental asylum, and in 1912 it opened to the public. It closed in 1976, and the state hasn't done anything with it ever since. That part that I showed you of it was the farm and the dairy farm where they had their patients do manual labor there, which is very wrong. You can find like carvings of people of their names in the cement. I am gonna be going back with my friends during the daytime. Our whole point was to explore it, but we got there too late, and so we just kind of went along with it. It was just kind of like, you know, it's October, so we figured why not, we'll just do something fun at night. But it also, that asylum did a lot of electroshock therapy and body cleansing therapy, which is horrible and so wrong. So we know a lot of people died from that, and at this asylum there was a lot of people who were dropped off by family and never picked up. When they died, they never picked up their bodies. There's also a cemetery somewhere around there, apparently, where they would bury bodies of people, unclaimed bodies. There's also a place where they would take care of the bodies once they died. We just didn't get there. That was towards the area that we heard a bear, so we figured we'd leave before we got attacked. And the mental hospital itself was towards that area too. But that is a little background for you. It has a very sad history. I just think it's even sadder that it's just kind of left there to just rot pretty much. I could definitely tell you it's definitely haunted, and it's a pretty cool place to visit. Just make sure you're careful, and if you heard all that laughing in the video, we were laughing at a lot of the graffiti that was written on the walls because it was kind of funny what they wrote. I mean, it's kind of sad that people do that, but it was kind of funny what they were writing, so that's why we were laughing. But that is just a little bit of a background for you guys. I didn't really even tell you why we were going or anything, so I thought I'd add this part just to explain it to you.
I haven't filmed since yesterday. Today's Tuesday. I just got off work. It is 10:28. I'm finally having my dinner. I'm having one of my meal preps, and I'll show you that. And sorry I didn't get Monday's video up yet. I'm gonna edit that tonight and get that up ASAP.
I just got kind of busy yesterday and a friend needed me, so I went over and, you know, cheered her up. So yeah, but I'll get that up for you today and I'll show you my meal prep. This is my meal prep. I have spinach, kale, blueberries, grilled chicken, and baked sweet potatoes. This is 1/3 of a sweet potato, and I think this is a 1/2 cup of chicken. So that is what my dinner is tonight. Y'all, today I didn't wake up until a little bit past 11 because today is my day off. And so I'm just eating lunch. It's like 12:15 and I'm eating a different meal prep than what I showed you last night. I make 2 different ones so I don't get sick of eating the same thing. But I can show you what I'm gonna eat and we'll see where this day takes us. I'm just eating brown rice and some chicken and blueberries and spinach and kale, and then I'm adding avocado, 1/2 avocado in with the chicken and rice. So that's what I'm eating for. I was running out of meal prep, so I am meal prepping some stuff right now. Actually next month I am going to be doing a meal prep with me, so I'm going to wait until next month to show you complete details on how I meal prep. But right now I'm just making my chicken and brown rice meal preps, and this time instead of spinach, I'm doing a cauliflower rice with, like, I think it has like peas and stuff in it, as my vegetable. And I'm not gonna pre-put a fruit in there. I'm just gonna have a banana or a mango or something, part of a mango, when I have these, because if you cut that kind of stuff up, sometimes it goes bad faster. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab that and prepare it when I'm ready to eat these. But that is what I'm doing right now. I kind of ran low on more of my ingredients, like my sweet potatoes that I usually throw in the oven, in my meal preps. I ran out of those. Oh, I'd be doing a couple more, but right now I'm only making 3 more. That should keep me over until payday on Friday, and then I can buy some more stuff and make more meal preps. So for now, this is good because I already still have one in the fridge that is a sweet potato and chicken one. So we're good. I'm just waiting for the chicken to cool off before I put them in the meal prep containers. And yeah, a little overview of my meal preps. But that is what I'm doing right now. My meal prep's completely done. Stay tuned for next month when I do a meal prep with me video, so you guys can find out how I meal prep and how I decide what I want on my meal prep. Sorry, I'm in the bathroom because there's the best lighting. He's usually in the bathroom and my room, but because the sun's going down, my room sucks with lighting. But I'm just having my kombucha. I'm pretty much sipping on the same kombucha because this like lasts forever. Like the expiration's forever, and I don't drink the whole thing. I kind of just sip on it, and then eventually, you know, I finish it. But I'll probably finish it today or tomorrow. But yeah, that's what I'm having to drink right now. So guys, it's Thursday, and this is what having my blood disorder does to me. It makes me super sick sometimes, and I'm having one of those days. So I really don't know how much I'm gonna be recording today because I just am feeling awful and terrible and just not feeling good at all. Yeah, I just have no energy right now. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. But if I end up feeling any better, I'm gonna try my best to go to the gym tonight. with some friends. So I'm really hoping that I start feeling better. It is 12:35 and I've been up since 3 a.m. not feeling good. So we'll see. I'm hoping. I've been praying that God will heal me. Morning, y'all. Sorry that I gotta look. My hair is all kind of messy. I just got up not too long ago. And a little update. I'm feeling 100% better than I did yesterday. I just have days like that every once in a while. But I am today be going to work. And I'm about to go heat up meal prep because it is closer to lunchtime. I'm sorry I didn't film my breakfast, but like I said, I'm gonna do what I eat in a day and what I meal prep and those videos in the future. So I will show you my meal prep when I get to the kitchen. Meal prep, guys. I'm just having some grilled chicken, brown rice, and then this is cauliflower rice, and then I'm having some spinach and kale, and then I may have a mango or a banana too. Guys, so I realized I forgot to end my video, so I'm ending it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe and join my journey. And you guys, if you feel like nobody else in this world cares about you, I care about you. And remember, you are enough. You are beautiful. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. And thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And I will see you on Monday with another video.